Coming up in this video, I've got my top 3 sipping spiced rums. So if you want to know what they are, stay tuned. Hello Spiced Rum fans, my name is Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos will help you drink, serve and enjoy better quality spiced rum. That's what I'm all about. As always, hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you think of these videos. Let me know spiced rums you want me to feature in 2020. Let me know your favourite ways of drinking your spiced rums. Do you like them neat like I'm going to do in this video? Do you like them with Coke? Do you prefer ginger beer? What are your favourite mixes? So hit me up in the comments below. And if you want to chat to other spiced rum lovers, and if you're on Facebook, go and check out the Spiced Rum Club, new Facebook groups. Not my group, but I'm a big part of it. Go into Facebook, search the Spiced Rum Club. You'll find it quite easily. Or if you go onto your web browser, Google Chrome, Firefox, whatever, just type in stblive.uk/Spiced Rum Club. Right then, as we're approaching Christmas 2019 and tail end of the year, I thought it would be quite a good idea to do a couple of videos now where I kind of review what I've done so far in 2019. I've reviewed over 33, I think it is, 34 spiced rums now since I flipped back over to what I really love, spiced rum, back in June this year. So 33 I've done. I keep getting questions all the time in the comments. What's my favourite spiced rum with Coke? What's my favourite sipping rum? What's my favourite mixers? So I've got 3 videos coming up now. Should be released, all 3 just before Christmas. And I'm just going to deep dive. So this one, we're going to do sipping rums, my top 3 sipping rums. Also coming up, I've got my top 5 spiced rum and cokes. And then I've got, I don't know quite how to explain it, but another video I'm going to do. I'm going to take each of the 7 mixers, my favourite 7 mixes, and I'm going to show you my favourite spiced rum to mix with each one of those mixes. So they're the 3 videos coming up just before Christmas. This one is my top 3 sipping spiced rums. So let's just jump straight in with my 3rd place sipping rum. This is a spiced rum that I did only a couple of weeks ago now. And in 3rd place, I thought it might be close. I said in the video that it could quite potentially hit my top 5. It did. I'm not going to go top 5 because I think that was a bit too many for this. This is my 3rd place. This is World's End and it's their dark spiced rum. I'll stick a link where we're going right there, that corner. I'll pop a link so you can watch the review of this video. Quite easily get hold of this, a master of malt. It comes in roughly about £35. World's End are actually a Belgian brand of spiced rums. They've got 4, 5, I lost track of how many they've got there. I've reviewed 2 on this channel, the Tiki Spiced and the dark spice. This is absolutely lovely, neat. Base rums are Trinidadian and Barbados. You've got little hints of vanilla on there as well, subtle, not overly sweet at all in the grand scheme of things. I really love that. So go and check that out. Link in the show notes where you can get it from. Master of Malt, about £34 to you. If you're in the trade, you will get it slightly cheaper than that. So that's my 3rd place sipping rum. So moving on to my 2nd favourite sipping spiced rum. Again, this is another spiced rum that I reviewed only a few weeks ago now. And I'll stick a link right up there of where you can go and watch that review. But in 2nd place, I'm actually going Rum Bullion. Their normal strength, their 42.6% spiced rum. Even though I absolutely love the navy strength, I couldn't obviously include that in this little review because I haven't reviewed it yet. It's not been one of the first 33. So this has made it into 2nd place. Absolutely love it. Ablethorpe's is the brand. They're also famous for their bathtub gin as well. Their parent company is a Master of Malt, so obviously you can go and get it from them. It's at the more expensive end of the spectrum. It's about £35. Again, lovely vanilla forward in this one, but it is so smooth and so luxurious as it slips down. I just think that is an amazing spiced rum to sip neat. Yes, it does work very well with Coke and things like that as well, but as a sipping rum, Really, really love that. And it's got that nice bit of alcohol ABV to it, 42.6%, that are just absolutely lovely. So if you love your sipping rums, go and check that out. That is Rum Bullion. Right then, so my favourite out and out sipping spiced rum. And actually this goes back to right at the start of my journey. This was one of the very first ones that I reviewed on this channel. Absolutely love it, and for my money you still cannot beat it. For taste, for price, it just has everything. So my top pick, my favourite out and out sipping rum of the 33 spiced rums that I've reviewed and tasted so far, for me as a neat sipping rum, you just cannot beat it. Even to you guys that are not in the trade, less than £24 a bottle from Master and Malt. This is a proper out and out rum. St Lucian Distillers, they distill and spice it themselves. So not a UK company. The rums are not shipped to the UK to be spiced or anything like that. As I say, just amazing. To taste, you get this amazing sort of vanilla, clove, nutmeg, hints of orange come through. But the key thing with this, it's not overly sweet and cloying or anything like that. It doesn't kind of stick to your teeth. It's just absolutely amazing as a sipping rum. It's super, super delicious. Absolutely love that. So again, Master of Malt, links in the show notes where you can get that from. Less than £24 a bottle, probably even cheaper if you're watching this before Christmas. You might be able to pick this up even cheaper. But I will stick again another link in the show note of where you can watch the review of this. Probably the old format reviews, because I did do this probably 5 months ago now. But my money, there it is. That's the winner. So first place, Chairman's Reserve Spiced Rum. In second place, Rum Bullion, and in third place, World's End and their dark spiced rum. They are my top 3 spiced sipping rums. If you want to know what my favourite Coca-Cola spiced rum serves are, then stay tuned for the next video. I'm Steve the Barman. I'll see you soon.